The forces arrayed against us are, and I use the word most carefully, formidable. They are intense and powerful. They are, as I've taken some pains to explain, the forces of imperialism acting through their instruments, neo-colonialism and colonialism, ably assisted by the agents of the Cold War. They operate in worldwide combinations at all levels: political, economic, military, cultural, educational, social, and trade. And not all, and through intelligence, cultural, and information services.